Hello everyone, this is my review of this hidden spy cam that's inside of a wall outlet. It comes with a pick so you can remove the cover so you can put in an SD card that comes with it as well, and also a USB flash drive and a screw so you can secure it to the wall. One huge benefit to this product is that you gain an extra 2 outlets, 2 USB ports, and the lightning port in addition to the hidden camera. You can access the camera with an app that's downloaded to your phone, and it has 2 modes where it's close range or remote range where you can access it through the Wi-Fi. The spy cam is 1080p and has a wide angle, and it also records audio. Here I'm showing you it recording live on the camera and on my phone. I think this is a great product for your home security, and I hope this review helps.